Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of modern entryway design ideas. Your entryway is the first impression of your home, so let's make it count. Briefly explanation of the importance of a well-designed entryway. Stick around for 5 simple and stunning ideas that will elevate your space without breaking the bank. Let's start by appreciating the elegance of minimalistic. Create a clean and strength-forward entryway using a stylish bench, a stand-out mirrors, and a couple of essential accessories. Emphasize the importance of using natural colors and keeping the space uncluttered. A clutter-free entrance not only look fantastic but also establish a soothing ambience as you step into your home. The simplicity of a sleek bench and a few well-chosen items can transform your entryway, making it both visual appealing and a clamping sanctuary. So ditch the excise option for natural tones and welcome a serene atmosphere into your living space. Step into nature with our second ideas, nature's ambience. Simply put, bring out vibe inside by adding plants, nature texture, and earthy colors to your entryway. Picture this vibrant potted plants or a petite indoor garden welcoming your home. It is not just a trend, it is about creating a calm and cozy atmosphere. Nature inspired design does not just look good, it brings a sense of peace to your entryway. Imagine the soothing presence of greenery as you step through the door. It is an easy way to make your entryway trendy and turn it into a tranquil space, making you feel right at home from the moment you walk in. Transform your entryway with the perfect blend of your and practically in our third idea, functional elegance. Choose furniture that not only look good but also serve a purpose. Think storage benches or wall mounted organizer, cleverly hiding away the clutter. With these dual purpose pieces, your entryway become a haven of organization, making your daily routine seamlessly and stress free. Imagine coming home to a neat space where everything has its piece. It is not just about tidiness, it's add a classy touch to your home, bringing a sense of sophistication to the very first space you step into. Lets your entryway reflect your style while keeping things effortlessly elegant and functional. If you are into adding a bit of cool and uniqueness to your entryway, our fourth idea, industrial chic, perfect for you. Picture this: exposed bricks, metal touches, and stand out lighting, but don't worry about it being too much. Well, we will show you how to mix in this industrial element without making your space feel crowded. Industrial chic is not just about style, it brings characters and a touch of city vibe to your entryway, making it stand out in a really cool way. So if you want your entryway to be more than just ordinary, give industrial chic a go. It is the secret ingredients for an entryway that is effortlessly cool and uniquely you. In our fifth ideas, aesthetic flair, we encourage you to turn your entryway into a canvas for your creativity. Imagine it is as your personal art gallery. Use bold artwork, vibrant colors, and unique decor pieces to make a statement that reflects your personality. This idea is super flexible, allowing you to express your own style and preferences. Your entryway is not just a passage, it is a reflection of who you are. So don't hesitate to infuse it with your unique aesthetic personality. Whether you are into contemporary art or quickly decor, lets your entryway showcase the thing that make you happy and make it lasting impression on anyone who walk through your decor. It is all about making your space uniquely yours. And there you have it, 5 modern entryway design idea to transform your space into something truly special. Whether you are into minimalistic nature, functionality, industrial vibe, or aesthetic expression, there is style for everyone. If you found this idea inspiring, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home design tips. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.